Where are we?
We've made it to the land of my birth, Idaho. In Spokane, it's called Spokane River. In Idaho, I don't know what the river's called. It may have a different name, but we're going there. So this is where we stayed last night, a little neighborhood off the main street of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. What we're doing this week, we're hitting the gym. I've probably gained 15 pounds since we left Salt Lake. I personally ate 6 donuts yesterday by myself, so we're getting a little out of control. It can just get chaotic in the van sometimes through traveling and just whatever. It's hard to keep a routine in the gym, but my personal flexibility has gone to 0. I'm having some hip and back pain. Yeah, we're gonna hit the gym every day this week and explore the town of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. What are you fixing to do?
Cardio.
Cardio, and then some weights later on?
Yeah.
All right, cool, let's go. Got in an hour on the bike, stretched in that cage doohickey. Sir, hello. What are you smiling about? So we just watched a movie. What was it called? Strange Darling. Don't recommend it. What do you think?
It's a no for me.
Yeah, it's a no. Don't waste your money. Okay, so second workout of the day in the books. We're gonna keep this going throughout the whole week. All right, I'm gonna take these dogs out, wait for her to get done, and then we're gonna go find a spot to sleep tonight. You go potty? Kato, what are you doing under there? Having some dinner, having an Alani party. We'll be up all night probably. But yeah, pretty tuckered out today, huh? We did a lot, we saw a lot.
We like it here.
Yeah, we like it in Coeur d'Alene. We're just watching the sunset. Can't really see it that great from here, but we'll head over to the neighborhood and find a spot to sleep. Probably the same spot again. So that's what we do on a Wednesday, huh?
Yeah.
We've basically hung out at this park all day, Cherry Hill Park. It's got everything that we like to do, pickleball, disc golf. It's got a dog park. It's even got a BMX racetrack. This is the type of place where we like to hang around and use as our backyard for a few days. We're kind of exhausted, especially since we were up last night getting kicked out of our parking spot. So we're gonna skip tonight's workout and just go shower and find another place to sleep, I guess. Overall, we really like Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. It's a nice place. It's got all the activities and opportunities that you would want. Van life does not suck here. We're at Tubbs Hill. At this point, we're kind of local celebrities at the Planet Fitness, and I've had about 5 different people say, have you gone to the lake yet? We have not gotten all up in it yet, but we're at Tubbs Hill. We're gonna go for a hike right now. There's the lake right there. halfway point. How's this hike?
Easy.
It's a nice hike. It's pretty easy. It'd be a nice place to train for trail running, swimming, triathlons, or just hiking.
That's my dream house in my dream location.
Oh. Babe. Hey, don't mess around. Safety. Safety first. Well, that was fun. We made it. Now we're gonna go hike, well, we're not hiking anymore. We're just walking. We're gonna go walk the town a little bit.
Cute shops. There's a farmer's market in about 30 minutes downtown, so we're gonna check it out. Kevin likes the farmer's market, but he likes to speed walk through and not let me look at any of the stuff. We're going down the wrong side. We need to get in the front. Here, you take it.
Alright, I don't blame you, sir.
What is it?
Apple
Dumpling.
caramel bundt cake
Ooh.
from
the Clover June Bakery.
And we bought these hats for camping so we don't lose each other.
That like molasses-y taste. It's good. He's parked in an easement. How did that happen? Whoops, breaking the store.